Imagine having extra hours every single day to work on your dreams, build good habits, and stay ahead of the world. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Waking up at 5 a.m. could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Look, I know what you're thinking. Mel, you're crazy. I'm not a morning person. I get it, I used to feel the exact same way. But trust me on this one. Let's dive in and find out why waking up at 5 a.m. can transform your entire life. Let's be honest, how do you feel when that alarm goes off? If you're like most people, hitting the snooze button is the first thing you do. But what if I told you that waking up before the rest of the world is like having a superpower? While others are still hitting snooze, you're already winning. The early morning is a secret weapon of the most successful people. Think Tim Cook, Elon Musk, and Oprah. They all wake up early to get a jump on the day. Think of it this way, you are stepping into the arena while everyone else is still asleep, dreaming of what they'll accomplish someday. This is your chance to turn someday into today. It's your time to take control. Okay, picture this. It's 5:15 a.m., the sun is just starting to rise, the house is quiet, your phone is silent. You can finally hear yourself think. There are no emails blowing up your inbox, no kids asking for breakfast, no news blaring in the background. It's just you and the sweet silence of the morning. This, my friend, is pure gold. The quiet of early mornings allows you to focus without the chaos of the world pulling you in every direction. It's a time for deep work, creative thinking, and setting intentions for the day. No more feeling scattered or overwhelmed. No more getting to the end of the day and wondering where the time went. When you start your day with intention, you set yourself up for success in every area of your life. Let's be real, waking up at 5 a.m. isn't easy at first. It will be a struggle for your brain and body to get used to it. But when you do it consistently, it builds mental toughness like nothing else. The first few mornings will be the hardest, but once you get past the initial resistance, you'll realize that you're capable of so much more than you thought possible. The more disciplined you become in waking up, the more discipline you'll have in every aspect of your life. You'll start making healthier choices, sticking to your commitments, and achieving your goals with more ease. Chapter 4, Supercharges your productivity. Now, let's talk about productivity. By 9 a.m., most people are just getting started, while you've already exercised, planned your day, and made progress on your goals. That's how you stay ahead in life. You know those important tasks you keep putting off? The ones you tell yourself you'll get to later? Well, guess what? When you wake up at 5 a.m., later becomes now. Suddenly, you have time to work on that passion project. Learn a new skill or finally organize your finances. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Time for self-improvement. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it's how we use those hours that makes all the difference. When you wake up at 5 a.m., you're giving yourself the gift of time. Time for self-improvement. Now, you might be thinking, Mel, I'm exhausted at the end of the day, I can barely keep my eyes open, let alone read a book or meditate. I hear you. But here's the thing. When you wake up early, you tap into a different kind of energy. It's quiet, it's focused, and it's all yours. Read, journal, meditate, work out. When you wake up at 5 a.m., you get dedicated time to work on yourself, and when you improve yourself, every area of your life improves. Chapter 6. Better mental and physical health. Listen, I'm not a doctor, but I can tell you this. When you prioritize your well-being, everything else falls into place. Studies show that early risers are generally happier, less stressed, and more optimistic. They tend to eat healthier, exercise more regularly, and have stronger immune systems. Plus, waking up early gives you time to work out, no more excuses. You can fit in a quick jog, hit the gym, or do some yoga in your living room. Imagine how good you'll feel knowing you've already taken care of your body and mind before most people even hit the snooze button. Chapter 7. You'll sleep better and feel more energized. I know this sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. When you wake up early, you're actually more likely to get a good night's sleep. Why? Because you're regulating your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. When you wake up early, your body naturally adjusts to a healthy sleep cycle. You'll fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed instead of groggy. And let's be real, who doesn't want more energy throughout the day? Say goodbye to that afternoon slump and hello to sustained energy that lasts all day long. Outro. Take the 5 a.m. challenge. Life rewards those who take action. Waking up early isn't just about time, it's about taking control of your life. Start tomorrow and watch how everything changes. Are you ready to take the 5 a.m. challenge? Comment below, and let's do this together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.